Okay, again, for the same car, I will try to look by VIN number and see what am I getting. This is the same car. I use the dealer tools. I don't see nothing. So I'm trying now to use. See that that's the VIN number. I will say okay. That's the car. I say yes. 2013. It's very fast. Turn the ignition off. Turn the ignition off. Wait for 5 seconds. The car will turn the ignition by itself. Communication, diagnose, control unit, drive, DME, read codes, charge temperature, charge pressure control switch off, okay, go back, erase all this code, okay, read code, charging pressure sensor, electrical short, charging air temperature sensor, electrical short, go back, live data, request present, engine speed, let me see here, crank, the car wanna crank but it slip, RPM is very good, variable camshaft timing intake, -18, maybe electric fuel pump is on, rail pressure, I don't see nothing. Coolant temperature good, engine speed is good. There is a problem somewhere. Read code again. Charging pressure sensor, electric. That's one because I disconnect. I can't say anything on this car right now. Further diagnosis need to be done. Maybe timing issue. Anything is possible on it. Please subscribe, share and like, and see you in another video. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. The one more thing I want to check is live data, request diagnose, engine oil, battery charge good, cooling temperature good. Okay, status of engine warm, valvetronic operation. Variable camshaft timing. I don't know while you're cranking how much gonna be. Okay, I'm not sure what need to be done on this car. We have a spark, we have injector, we have everything. Please, if you have any idea, you can give it to us, and we can take it from there. And if there is any update, I will let you know. Thank you.